Cognitive behavioral therapy. Use psychological techniques to rewire your brain and learn how emotions and daily habits influence your thought, your behavior, your feelings, and your life. Written by Timothy Meyer. Narrated by DMS. Depression is one of the most disturbing experiences for a sufferer. Anyone who feels low, worthless, disinterested in life, and weepy continuously for a month or more is probably suffering from depression. Many times a certain situation can trigger off a bout of depression that may last disproportionately long. It could be any stressful situation that you find hard to cope with, such as a loss of a loved one or a job, the birth of a baby, moving to a new place, or any long-lasting issue that seems impossible to resolve. Any situation that you feel you cannot handle and which makes you feel worthless and hopeless can plunge you into the depths of depression. It requires a lot of courage to accept the fact that something is wrong and to try to do something about it to cure depression. Anyone who feels this way should see a doctor who will help you overcome depression. After a few tests to assess your condition, the doctor may suggest antidepressant drugs. These can help you get your life back on track once more. These medications make you feel so good that life seems worth living again. However, after a while, in some cases, when weaned off the medication, the symptoms may return. After the treating doctor may suggest lifelong use of antidepressant drugs to cure depression, many people feel disturbed at the thought of being dependent on drugs to cure depression. They are determined to do something to help them overcome depression naturally. Chapter 1. What is cognitive behavioral therapy? Cognitive behavioral therapy is a form of therapy used for the psychological treatment of common mental and anxiety disorders. Since the 1980s, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, has been successfully used to treat individuals from psychological problems and assisting them in living healthy and fully functioning lives. How does cognitive behavioral therapy work? What is CBT? What can you learn? Just how do you learn? What can CBT treat? Exactly how does CBT function? Take away. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is temporary therapy methods that can aid individuals discover new means to act by altering their thought patterns. Involving with CBT can aid people minimize stress.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?